Quick follow-up to the previous BCP video. Because I just got the Zakus in and I wanted to test them out for a bit, I wasn't able to include them in the comparison video. But I've put the Zaku stems in the H1 bottom housing, cherry top, and I've been using them for a few days now and I have some thoughts I wanted to share. In terms of smoothness, compared to all the other stems I've tried before, the smoothest I would say now would still be the Huskies and the Zakus tied for first, with the Competto Palms coming in a close second. Overall feel and sound, compared to the Huskies, is marginal. They're both super buttery smooth, offer a very similar sound profile. However, I had an issue with one of my Zaku stems that I wanted to share some light on in case this also happens to you. Whenever I pressed the switch at the very bottom of the keycap, it sounded like it was snagging on something. I tried different housings and I get pretty much similar results, and I wasn't sure if this was part of the recent batch of Zakus or something just innately wrong in terms of QC with this one switch that I have, but just wanted to bring this to your attention. If you wanted to compare the Husky stem in terms of the Zaku stem, the Zakus are just ever so slightly longer, but that's kind of the only difference I can see, and in terms of sound, it's marginally the same. Overall, if you're looking to get into BCPs and you're trying to figure out which one you would get, I would just get the Husky stems. They're cheaper, they're in stock. They provide a similar enough sound and feel to the Zakus that unless you really like that specific shade of gray-white, it doesn't make sense to purchase. I'll do a quick comparison between the Zaku Pies and the Husky Pies. Let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll see you in the next one.